Well, online, good. Okay, good sound, good, right? Okay. So let's get started. Today we are going to discuss about AWS. Already know you know very well about what is legacy environment, what is data center, what is virtual environment, what is cloud environment, everything. AWS is a one vendor. They're offering for us cloud technology, right? AWS, Azure, GCP, Alibaba, etc., IBM, different vendors they're offering for us. Unable to, no issues, man. Okay. Okay, got it, guys. So AWS is a one cloud technology, means cloud service provider. So now we are going to discuss about AWS history. Okay. So let's see, guys, here. Amazon Web Service is a comprehensive, evolving cloud computing platform provided by Amazon. Got it, guys? So what is AWS? So let's see, guys, here. Guys, please. So AWS means Amazon Web Service, full form, right? So AWS stands for Amazon Web Service. Is a comprehensive, evolving cloud computing platform provided by whom? Amazon. So it provides the mix of IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Cloud models. Yesterday we discussed. How many types of cloud models we have? Three types. What are they? Infrastructure as a cloud, platform as a cloud, and software as a cloud. AWS cloud, it's providing mix of those three. So from AWS, we can get the IaaS, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service also, right? In 2004, guys, little bit history about AWS, because we are learning AWS means we should know at least little bit history. So that's why. So in 2004, in the company first published in one blog, boss, we are trying to introducing to you people one new technology called cloud computing, like that. Got it, guys? In one blog. Usually, Naresh I Technology, how they are going to promote the like classes timings, like the same way. Next week, so and so class, we are going to start. So like this, usually they are going to publish into their website. Like the same way, in one blog, when 2004 itself, right? So in 2004, they published one blog. So they are going to provide the one new technology called cloud computing, like that. Just they announced. So they created one curiosity. That's it. Now we are also waiting for so and so faculty class into Naresh IT. So they are going to create some curiosity. After 15 days, so and so batch we are going to start. I hope you got it, guys. Like the same way in 2004, they introduced to us, they just given one hint to us, right? So we are going to introduce one new technology called cloud computing, like that, right? So usually when they introduce to us, when they launch AWS, March 3rd, 2006. From March 3rd, 2006 onwards, we have AWS cloud computing. So he's a first vendor. Got it, guys? So at the time they offered only few services. At the time they offer only few services like S3, EC2, right? SQS, Amazon Q services, SNS, like this, only 4 to 5 services they offered in 2006. As of now, we have more than 200 and 200 plus services, 250 services we'll have. More than 250 plus services we have nowadays. So when they introduced to us in initial days, at the time they introduced to us with the three to four services. That's it. Like S3, EC2, right? And SQS, SNS, like the services they introduced to us. When they introduced to us AWS Cloud Computing from 2006 onwards, full-fledgedly. So 2006, March 3rd. So got it, guys. So this is little bit history about AWS. So coming to AWS, who's a owner of AWS? Who owned AWS means Amazon, not AWS, Amazon. AWS is a different, Amazon is a different. Okay. AWS is a Amazon Web Service. Amazon is a one brand. I hope you got it, guys, right? So who owned Amazon? You know, na? So we should know at least, right? Who introduced to us Amazon brand, those kind of stuff, right? Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is an American entrepreneur. Okay. So actually, he's a one bank employee when in 1994. In 1994. Got it, guys. So before 1994, he's a bank employee in USA. Got it. So he left the job. So from 1995 onwards, he left the job, right? So, and then, so he need to start, means he need to earn the revenue. Without job, how he's going to survive? So that's why what he did, he started one small business from 1995 onwards. At the time, internet is a very popular, just upcoming, right? Internet technology, right? Got it, guys. In 1995 in USA, right? So at the time, what he did in the sense, he started one e-commerce website. One e-commerce website that is called bookmall.com. Got it, guys. So with the help of bookmall.com, he's tried to selling books through online. So now we'll have the Amazon, right? Amazon, right? E-commerce website. Like the same way at the time he started bookmall.com. So in 1995, so after bank job. Got it, guys. And then he started bookmall.com and then he tried to selling the books. He got a good revenue. With the help of those books, he got a good revenue and then he decided to start one startup. Got it, guys. He decided to start one startup. Then he registered few websites like this, few names. So if you need to start the startup, we need to register the name. Kadabra, he registered. Kadabra, awake.com, browse.com, bookmall.com, relentless.com, like that. He registered few domains. So, so actually he informed to his legal advisor. So what kind of name it is? Kadabra. Who's going to bother about this name? So like this, his legal advisor, he said. Then finally, he fixed Amazon.com. So he registered various domains. So here we'll have many domain names. See, Kadabra and then browse.com, bookmall.com. So like this, different domain names he got registered. And finally, they fixed Amazon.com. Amazon.com e-commerce website. So nowadays, whatever if you want, you can purchase from Amazon. Groceries. At the time before like 1995, right? So we are going to get only books. Now at present, we are going to get the mini products like groceries. We are going to get even bikes also. Even bikes also, two-wheelers also we can purchase from Amazon, right? And then so you know, like costumes, etc., everything we can purchase from the Amazon.com itself only, right? So not only Amazon.com, how many products he introduced to us now? Jeff Bezos, Amazon Pay. Amazon Pay is one product, right? And then we have many products, right? Amazon Cloud we have. Hmm? Yes, no. So he introduced to us different products for us. So Jeff Bezos is an entrepreneur of in USA actually. So he's the CEO of Amazon.com at the time. So actually in 2022, he have this much of revenue, 900, 190 billion dollars. Got it, guys? Actually, he's diverse, right? He's diverse, right? So, छोड़ दिया. So वो जो है ना, I think 30 to 40 billion dollars she taken from him. So now I think he have $170, $170 billion. So because 30 to 40 billion dollars is provided for his wife. Got it, guys? Let's see here. Actually, Jeff Bezos is the only founder. He invests, but he's not an engineer. He's not an engineer. Got it, guys? Jeff Bezos only Amazon founder. That's it. Okay. He invested. That's it. Okay. So who designed the AWS cloud? Chris Pinkham. Got it, guys? Chris Pinkham is a guy. He's designed AWS cloud and then he developed AWS cloud. Now he's not available into Amazon now. He is into some different organization now. Chris Pinkham, right? When he introduced to us, so he got started program 2000. So full-fledgedly 3 to 4 services they introduced to us from 2006 onwards. Got it, guys? And next, in India, when they introduced to us, June 27, 2016 onwards. Hardly AWS are remaining clouds when they got popular before 6 to 7 years, before Corona itself only. No issues. You can right. Switch on करो कुछ problem नहीं है. Hmm? Hmm. No, if you want you can switch on light also, it's not a problem. Got it, guys? So clear. So from June 27, 2016 onwards, we'll have the cloud computing in India. Don't believe I have the 30 years of experience in cloud computing like that few people they are saying. Okay. They have the experience in legacy as well as in data center. So hardly we are utilizing this cloud from before Corona itself only. That's it. 2018, 2017, at the time they introduced to us AWS cloud in India. Usually from that time itself only people they are utilizing the AWS cloud. Got it, guys? I hope you're clear. And then in 2010, so it is need to know the history. Is it know the history means always if you need to know the history, right? What you are learning, you should know about that particular product when they introduced to us, why we are doing, when, what is the use of that particular product. Without knowing that, so I'm unable to understand what he's asking. Huh? Got it, guys? So in 2010, they move to all the website bookmall.com. So few websites we have, they got moved into Amazon.com, www.amazon.com. So in 2013, they introduced us certifications. They need to earn more. So that's why they introduced us certifications also. In 2017 onwards, what? AI, AI technology. So they reinvent the program that work on AI. So nowadays we'll have many AI tools in AWS. Got it, guys? So this is little bit history about Jeff Bezos, right? So this guy is a Jeff Bezos and this guy is a Chris Pinkham. So if you earn more money, then you are going to become like that only. That's it, now. So got it, guys? I hope you got it, guys. Yes, ma. Each and every site it is going to redirect to the Amazon.com only. I said, nah. Each and every sites it got redirect to the Amazon.com. Right? So let's see, guys, here. Coming to Amazon. We have, guys, this is little bit old document. So 114 availability zone, 36 geographical regions we have. Guys, please, let's see here. Better to open official website. Then you are going to understand as of now how many availability zones we have, how many regions we have. I'll tell you what is availability zone, what is region. Don't worry. So availability zone and geographic region means, see guys, region means it's a branch. For example, coming to Naresh IT, how many branches we have? Two branches in Hyderabad, right? Hyderabad, two branches we have. One is in Amirpet. Amirpet is a one region. Another one is KPHP. KPHP also one more region. Got it, guys? The place. So the branch it got started into that particular place, that is called one region. For example, coming to Amirpet. Amirpet is a one region. Naresh IT branch it got started in Amirpet, opposite Satyam Theatre. I hope you got it, guys. In Amirpet, how many buildings we have belongs to Naresh IT? Right? So first building is opposite Satyam Theatre. That is office room, I think so, right? And then beside Satyam Theatre, we have our new building. And we have above Udupi Hotel. Okay. So we have above Udupi Hotel, one more building. And then one more new campus, right? And one more building, Reliance. And one more Naka. Total 6 buildings we have. Each building is a one availability zone. Guys, listen. Region means the place where they got started. Amirpet is a one region. Coming to Naresh IT, Amirpet is a one region. In Amirpet, how many availability zones they have? They have 6 availability zones. Each building is a one availability zone. It's available for us. I hope you got it exactly what is availability zone. So clear. So Naresh IT branch having 6 virtual data centers. I hope you clear. Like the same way, AWS, it having multiple regions. In that, multiple availability zones. For example, coming to India, we have 2 regions in India. We have 2 regions in India. One is in Mumbai, one more is in Hyderabad. Got it, guys? So Amazon Web Services, they got started 2 branches in India. One branch, one region. We should not call branch, we need to call region. One region in Mumbai, right? One more region in Hyderabad. So Mumbai having 3 availability zone and Hyderabad also having 3 availability zones. I hope you got it. In Mumbai, we have 3 virtual data centers. Like the same way in Hyderabad also we have 3 virtual data center. So for example, coming to Naresh IT, it's available into Amirpet branch. In this Amirpet, how many availability zones we have? Each building is a one availability zone. So this building, it's available for us. I need to teach the session for you. Without this building, how I am going to teach the session for you? That is called availability zone. Clear, guys? So now we are going to open official document and then how many regions we have, how many availability zones we have. Now we are going to understand, right? So global infrastructure. Guys, open Google, type AWS global infrastructure. Then you are going to get the information here. How many regions? 38. How many availability zones? 120 availability zones we have, right? And then POPs 13 regional edge cache. Edge cache means, for example, you are trying to deploying the databases, right? One database server into one. For example, I have deployed one database server into India. The same copies I need into UAE, and the same copy I require into USA, the same copy I require into some different country. So instead of launching the physical servers there, we are going to use edge cache. How many we'll have? 13. So total how many? 700 and plus, and then 43 local zones, right? So got it, guys. How many services they are providing as of now? More than 250 plus services. More than 250 plus services. What type of services they are providing? What type of services? Computing, storage, networking, right? Databases. So different types of services, mobile related, development tools, different services, more than 250 plus services they are providing. Got it, guys? I hope you're clear as of now. How many regions? How many regions we have? 38 regions and 120 availability zone. So if you want to can check the map here, you are going to get the information here. Right? So got it, guys? Right. Next. How many cloud service providers, how many organizations they are using AWS Cloud? First, your favorite organization. Huh? Netflix. So Netflix, Unilever, and Adobe Systems, Airbnb, G-Oils, right? And even BMW also they are using. Okay. Top 8 organizations, they are using Amazon Cloud Service. How many cloud service providers we have? How many cloud service providers we have? Many. Okay. See, Amazon. So popular service providers are 3: Amazon and Azure and GCP. Maximum people they are using only those 3 clouds, and remaining all, most of the people they're not utilizing. So IBM people, they have their own cloud, they're utilizing their own cloud only. Got it, guys? See, 39% overall Amazon Web Service only they're utilizing. Around 40% they're using. So 40% industries they're using Amazon Web Services only, and 19% Azure, 9% GCP, Salesforce 4%, and IBM Cloud 3%, and remaining clouds 21%. I hope you got it, guys. Yes, no. So what kind of certifications they're offering? Let's see here. See, guys. So they are offering fundamental certifications. To recently they got added AI also. AI Practitioner, Cloud Practitioner. This is basic certification. Doesn't need any experience, IT experience. Doesn't require any IT experience. Right. This is very basic certifications. Right. Next, associate level certification. Machine learning and solution architect associate, data engineer, right? So different certifications they offer for us. So ops, cloud ops, and then developers. So if you want to can do this certification, then it's useful for you people especially, right? And next, professional level certification. Guys, if you need to do the associate level certification, right? You should have at least 1 or 2 years experience in IT. as a legacy engineer. Then you are eligible for associate level certification. So if you having the experience 1 or 2 years, minimum 2 years you should have, then you are eligible for professional level certification. See, guys, I'm not saying Amazon Web Services, they are saying like that. Okay. So here, generative AI certification, and then developer especially, and then DevOps certification, solution architect professional, right? And those all special certifications, machine learning special certification, advanced networking, security, those all special certifications, those kind of certifications they're offering. Got it? So for you people, this is suitable, but I'm not covering any kind of certification course here. Just this is basics for you, how we need to interact with AWS. Got it, guys? So this is all about AWS history. Don't worry, those all the documents I am going to share into the Google Drive link. So management, they are going to provide the Google Drive link. No need to bother. So get the how is AZ 900? 900 is a basic certification, Mohammed. So better to do AZ 104. That is admin level certification. That AZ 900, it's a very basic level certification. Okay. You forgot everything. Right. You are not going to get any certification, Malavanya. This is only complimentary course for you. If you need to complete the certification, minimum you need to attend more than 2.5 months, then only you are going to crack the certification. Clear? Right. Okay. So let's see, guys. Yeah. Now we are going to start new chapter. Will it be useful for development resume? It's very useful for you. Don't worry. Okay. So next chapter, second chapter, right? Second chapter only, na? Second module, networking concept. Right? We completed this one. What is cloud computing? Now, guys, I'm going to start networking concept. Please focus. Without knowing networking, you are unable to launch the instances. You are unable to deploy the VPCs, your own cloud environment, you are unable to deploy. So that's why this is pre-requirement. Without knowing networking, it's a bit difficult to you people to understand the AWS concepts. So that's why I'm going to start networking now. Right? So today, tomorrow, maximum, I'm going to finish day after tomorrow, theoretical part. Okay. So day after tomorrow, Saturday, I'll start IAM. Today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, networking I'm going to complete. Saturday, I'm going to start IAM. Got it, guys? So please don't miss from now onwards. So if you don't know about networking, if you don't know about IP addresses, it's a bit difficult to you people. So now we are going to discuss about networking little bit deeply. Got it? Can we start? Right. So let's get started. So what is, guys, please, what is network? Leave about technical terms. No need to bother about technical term. Just in our human life, where we are going to use the word called network. Mobile network, chain. Very good, ma. Super. Chandu, Rohit. So mobile network also technical term, na? Yes, no. Okay, what you said, that is right. Wi-Fi, LAN, mobile. So I said no need to bother about technical term, right? So in our general human life, where we are going to use the word called network. Guys, CM sir having good network. PM sir having good network. They can do anything into our state. Anything means projects kind of stuff. I hope you got it, guys. For example, huh? For example, right? Correct example only, na, right? Huh? Harsh? Right. Okay, guys, listen. CM having good network, PM having good network. Usually we are going to say, so and so, like film actor, he having the good network, he can do anything. Like that, usually we are going to say, right? So, what is exactly network means? For example, we got our project into our state. Who is going to sanction this project? CM sir. That's it now, guys. So CM sir, he's not going to deploy the project, right? For example, we have road project or something, some different kind of project we got into our state. So who's going to provide the project? CM sir, he's going to provide the project. Then he's not going to deploy, right, directly. He's going to call to his PA, right? So and so, like a district having so and so project, please inform to the district collector, right? So this guy, he's going to call to district collector, and district collector, what he's going to do, he's going to communicate with contractor, and he's going to provide the contract, and then we are going to deploy. This is called connection. CM having the connection with PA, PA having the connection with district collector having the connection with contractor. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? Connection. Yes, no? Clear? Good. So let's see, guys, here. So and so, so and so. What happened, guys? 19 minutes full video. What video you need? Yeah. Right, guys? Guys, apart from jokes, please. Right. So what is network? Network, coming to technical terms. Guys, if you want, you can make a note. Right. So what is network? Connection between two or more network devices. Got it, guys? So connection between two or more network devices. This is one network device, PC. PC is our network device. And this is also another PC. We are establishing one media between those both the devices. This is called network. Guys, you should know what is network, what is networking, what is internetwork, and what is internetworking. Got it, guys? First, what is network? Connection between, guys, you need to remember those all concepts for lifetime. Otherwise, you are unable to survive. Okay. So if you want, you can make a note. Any syllabus content document, can you, I'll share you, don't worry. Okay. Chiru. Right. So let's see, guys, here. What is network? Connection between two or more devices, network devices. This is one network device, PC, and this is another network device. We are establishing the media between those both the devices. This is called network. Got it? So coming to networking, communication between two or more interconnected devices. Communication means, what is communication, guys? Communication between two or more interconnected devices. For example, this is one device and this is another device. This is mission 1 and this is mission 2. Those both the missions having one network. We established one media between those both the networks, right? So both the missions. This mission, it's trying to sending the request to this mission. This mission, it's providing the response to this mission. Request and response. For example, I'm trying to asking few questions to you. I am requesting to you people to provide the answer. You are giving the answer to me. That is called communication. I hope you got it, guys. So I'm asking few questions to you people. You are providing the answers to me. This is called communication. Communication between two or more interconnected devices. For example, this is mission 1 and this is mission 2. Mission 1, it's try to sending the data to mission 2, and mission 2 it's providing the response to mission 1. This is called networking. Network means only connection. It doesn't have the communication. Network means only connection. Got it, guys? So network means two different missions we have. We established one media between those both the mission, that is called network. Coming to networking, communication between two or more interconnected devices. So communication in the sense, it will send the request to mission 2 and mission 2 it will provide the response to mission 1. This is called communication. So networking means communication between two or more interconnected networks. Internetwork means internetwork. This is one network and this is another network. Got it, guys? So how many types of networks we have? How many types of networks we have? What are they? LAN, MAN, WAN. Very good. Super. Right? So LAN stands for local area network. Within a geographical area, within a building, if you try to deploying like this network, right? That is called LAN. So MAN means metropolitan area network. Got it, guys? Metropolitan area network means span over the city. For example, Naresh IT having two different branches. One is in Amirpet, one more branch in JNTU or KPHP, whatever it may be, right? If they're establishing one media from Amirpet to KPHP, that is called MAN. MAN is a very expensive. Got it, guys? Because we need to establish our own media, right? From Amirpet to KPHP. So it's a very expensive. MAN, metropolitan area means span over the city. Span over the city. So coming to WAN, not VAN, MAN. WAN. So WAN, WAN, wide area network. Wide area network. Best example, internet. With the help of internet, you can communicate from one country to another country. I hope you got it. How many types of networks we have? 3. What are they? LAN, local area network, within a geographical area, within a building. If you try to establishing the network, that is called LAN. So MAN means metropolitan area network. So span over the city, we are going to establish the network. So WAN, WAN. So WAN means wide area network. Best example, internet. For example, we have two LANs. This is one LAN and this is another LAN. Assume this network will have into second floor and this network into first floor. So if you try to establishing one media between those both the networks, first floor to second floor, right? That is called internetwork. Connection between two or more networks. Got it, guys? So what is internetwork? Connection between two or more networks. This is one network and this is another network. We are establishing one media between those both the networks. That is called internetwork. What is internetworking? Internetworking means communication between two or more interconnected networks. Simple. So internetworking means communication between two or more interconnected networks. So we have this network and then one more network we have. We establish the media between those both the network. Now this network people that try to sending the request to this network and this network it's trying to providing the response to this network. That is called internetworking. I hope you're clear. What is network? What is networking? What is internetwork? And what is internetworking? Network means connection between two or more network devices. Networking means communication between two or more interconnected devices. So internetwork means connection between two or more networks. So internetworking means communication between two or more interconnected networks. I hope you're clear, guys. So now usually we need to deploy our application, right? So usually we need to launch the EC2 instances, or otherwise we need to deploy one infrastructure. Then only we are going to deploy the application. So that's why we need to deploy one network into our organization, right? Between mission. What kind of pre-requirements we need to deploy the network? We know what is network, right? If you need to deploy the network, what kind of pre-requirements we need? For example, I got a one project, right? So I need to develop the application. So you are all developers, right? So you are going to write the code. Where you are going to write the code? With the help of infrastructure, right? So this infrastructure we should have, right? If we need to deploy the infrastructure, what kind of pre-requirements we need? For example, this is our office. This classroom is our office. So we got a one project from one vendor. So now we need to develop the project, right? So for developing the project, we require infrastructure, environment. So how you are going to create the infrastructure, IT infrastructure? With network we need to create, right? Then how, what kind of pre-requirements we need to deploy the network infrastructure and everything? We require NIC cards. You need to take the device into the network. The device should have the NIC card. No need to purchase the NIC card. While you are trying to purchasing the network devices, along with the device, you are going to get the NIC card. We need NIC cards, media. Without cables, we are unable to deploy the network, media, and then network devices, hub, switch, routers, firewalls, load balancers, etc., etc. So we require network devices, right? And we need protocols, and then we require IP addresses. 5 things we need to deploy the network into our organization. So NIC cards we need, media we require. Got it, guys? NIC cards we need, and media we require. Network devices we need, at least one network device we require. And then protocols, TCP, UDP protocols we'll have. So TCP, UDP protocols we require, and then we require IP addressing. Without logical address, we are unable to deploy the network. Those 5 things are mandatory. Got it, guys? So now we are going to discuss one by one. What is NIC card? What is media? How many types of network devices we have, right? And then what is IPv4, IP addressing? Everything in depthly we are going to discuss now. Got it, guys? Coming to NIC. NIC stands for Network Interface Card. This is an interface between device and network. For example, this is my PC. I need to connect this PC into network. For example, you need internet, man. Then how you are going to connect the internet into your PC? With the help of this cable, right? Where you are going to connect this cable? Inside the NIC card. This is my laptop. This laptop having NIC card. Our management, they connect the internet into my NIC card with the help of RJ45 connector. We'll have small internet pin, right? That is called RJ45 connector. RJ stands for not radio jockey, resistor jock. Resistor jock 45, right? So do you know about RJ45 connectors? Don't know? Let's see. I'll show you a few images, then you are going to understand exactly what is RJ. RJ45. RJ45 and RJ11 like that we'll have. See, guys. So this is RJ45 and this is RJ11. This is RJ45, RJ11. Most of the people, they are going to use RJ45 only for internet, for network. RJ11 for phone lines. We'll have landline, right? For landline, we are going to use RJ11. For internet, for network, we are going to use RJ45, right? So what is NIC card? Do you know about NIC card? How it will be looking? NIC card images, see. This is NIC card. Network interface card. Without this NIC card, guys, even in cloud also, you have the NIC card. Even in virtual machine also, you'll have the NIC card. Without NIC card, we are unable to take the device into the network. Got it, guys? AWS cloud, everything is depend on network only. So that's why we are learning those all. Without knowing this, directly if I'm trying to start in the AWS, you doesn't have the clarity. So got it? So this is NIC card, network interface card. This is a interface between device and network. So here we are going to connect the RJ45 connector cable. Got it, guys? So clear? So each and every network device, it should have the NIC card. Then only we are going to get the device into the network. So EC2 instances having virtual NIC card. So this is our physical machine, right? Our laptop having physical NIC card. We can see and we can touch. But there we are unable to see. We can see, but we are unable to touch there. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? So NIC stands for Network Interface Card. What is the use of NIC card? It's a interface between device, network device and network. I hope you're clear. So NIC card having 48-bit MAC address, 48-bit hexadecimal values will have. What is hexadecimal? 0 to F. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, we won't get 10. A, B, C, D, E, F. Alphanumerical combinations. So total how many bits? 48-bit MAC address we have. Like your postal address. If you go to one person, the person you have two different addresses, right? One is postal address. Another one is logical address, that is mobile number. I hope you got it. So MAC means media access control. If you want to can call MAC address, if you want to can call physical address, if you want to can call Ethernet address, if you want to can call hardware address, whatever if you want to can call. Got it, guys? Yes, ma. Right? So 48-bit MAC address, 48-bit hexadecimal values will have. So bit means length. So this is physical address, MAC address, hardware address, Ethernet address, whatever if you want to can call. How we need to check the MAC address in Windows operating system? It's very easy. Open CMD and right click, then run as a administrator. Guys, open CMD, right click, run as an administrator, execute get MAC command. Get MAC. So you are going to get the MAC address list. Each and every device, each and every interface, it having one MAC address, unique address. So we are going to identify that particular interface with the help of this MAC address only. So I have 5 MAC addresses. Usually in your laptop, hardly you will have 2 MAC address. One for Wi-Fi, one for maybe NIC card. But why I have 5 MAC addresses here? Because in my laptop, I have virtual machines. I have installed virtualization application called VMware Workstation. In that, I have 3 NIC cards. So that's why 3 virtual machines, virtual NIC cards it's showing. We have only one NIC, no issues. You have only one interface. I think you doesn't have the NIC card. Maybe latest laptop doesn't have NIC card. Latest laptop having only Wi-Fi. So that's why it's showing only one MAC address. But this is my old laptop. It having Wi-Fi and as well as NIC card also. So that's why if you having NIC card, it will show you 2 MAC addresses. Right? I hope you got it. In my laptop, I have multiple virtual machines. So that's why it is showing 5 MAC addresses. I hope you got it, guys. If you need to know the detailed information, execute ifconfig /all. Got it, guys? Ifconfig space /all, then hit enter. You are going to get the each and every NIC card detail information. So if you want, you can get the MAC address from here. This is our MAC address. This is Wi-Fi MAC address. I hope you got it, guys. And this is my virtual machine MAC address. VMnet 8 will have, right? This is virtual machine MAC address. I hope you're clear. What is MAC? Media Access Control. So MAC stands for Media Access Control. Clear? If you want, you can call MAC address. If you want, you can call hardware address. If you want, you can call Ethernet address or physical address. Like your postal address. Like your postal address. Got it, guys? Clear? So don't copy the things from the ChatGPT, man. Okay. So listen. So I hope you're clear. How to know the MAC address from Windows operating system? Get MAC is a command. Or otherwise, ifconfig space, ipconfig space /all. Coming to line X, you can execute this command. Ifconfig command, ip space addr command. So old version having ifconfig command. So from RHEL 7.0 latest version, it will support ipaddr command to know the MAC address. If you doesn't have the operating system into your laptop, then how you are going to get the MAC address? For example, you doesn't have any operating system into your laptop. So from where you are going to get the MAC address? You'll have the MAC address. If you're having NIC card means definitely you'll have the MAC address. So from BIOS, from BIOS. So we need to enter into the BIOS with the help of function keys, delete key and escape key. It's depend on motherboard manufacturer. They will provide the keys to enter into the BIOS, reboot the laptop, then it will offer BIOS key. Then we need to press the BIOS key. Then we are going to enter into the BIOS. Inside the BIOS, we have an option called system info. We have an option called system info. Inside the system info option, we can get the MAC address. I hope you got it, guys. If you doesn't have the operating system, if you're having operating system, then execute those commands and then you are going to get the MAC address. How many types of Ethernets we have? How many types of Ethernets we have? NIC cards. Ethernet is a terminology, guys. Ethernet is a terminology. Ethernet card, NIC card like this, we are going to say. So Ethernet 10 Mbps. Three types we have. Okay. One is Ethernet 10 Mbps, fast Ethernet 100 Mbps, gigabit Ethernet 1000 Mbps. Very old laptops and desktops, before 90s laptops, we have 10 Mbps Ethernet. So after 90s, we'll have 100 Mbps, means fast Ethernet. So nowadays we have gigabit Ethernet. I hope you're clear, guys. If you're try to purchasing the new laptop, by default, you are going to get the gigabit Ethernet connection only, because many ISPs, internet service providers, they are offering 1 Gbps connection for us. So if you need 1 Gbps connection full-fledgedly, always you should have the gigabit Ethernet. It will support 1000 Mbps. Few people keep on complaining on ISPs, right? I have 1 Gbps connection into my home, but I'm unable to get the 1 Gbps connection. I'm not getting speed, right? I'm getting only 50 Mbps like that. They are going to keep on complaining. First, check the NIC card, whether it is supporting or not. If you're having old laptop or otherwise old desktop, very old desktop, 90s desktop, it won't support 1000 Mbps. So we need to replace with gigabit Ethernet. Got it, guys? So maybe you'll have fast Ethernet and Ethernet. So instead of fast Ethernet and Ethernet, you need to replace with who? With gigabit Ethernet. I hope you're clear, guys. Exactly what is NIC card. How to check in laptop that have a just now I have given the information how to check. How to check the NIC card details. Just now we discussed, right? Open CMD, then execute the getMAC command. Otherwise, if ipconfig/all in Windows. Coming to Linux, if config or IP space ADDR. Clearly, I have mentioned here. Don't worry, I will upload those all the documents. So clear, guys. I hope you're clear about NIC cards, right? Next, media. Media means TV9. Not TV9, guys. Media means cables. Cable. Media means cable. So coming to media, we have two types. One is guided media. Another one is unguided media. So coming to guided media, coaxial, twisted pair, and fiber opticals. Fiber opts. Got it, guys? Coming to guided media, coaxial, twisted pair having again two types, STP and UTP. STP stands for shielded twisted pair. UTP stands for unshielded twisted pair. Got it, guys? Now in our classroom, we have UTP cable. This is UTP cable. We are getting internet with the help of UTP cable only. Got it, guys? So STP and UTP. So do you know about coaxial? RJ45 is connecting with my laptop and that is connecting to LAN, MAN, WAN. It is going to connect with your WAN because you are getting internet, na? Yes, no? You are getting internet means WAN only, na? Wide area network. Vishwajit, maybe if you are connecting into your personal network into your home, In your home, you'll have LAN. In your home, you have LAN, Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi router, it is going to provide LAN inside your home. Before Wi-Fi router, we have WAN. We have Wi-Fi router, right? In, out. Outside LAN. Inside WAN. Got it, guys? Okay. So let's see, guys, here. Do you know about coaxial cable? Don't know? You know very well about coaxial cable. You know very well about coaxial cable. You are belongs to my hometown only, na? So you know. Let's see here. Guys, do you know that CRT TVs, Dabba TVs, Dabba television, in olden days, how you are going to get the like cable connection in that in the TV with the help of coaxial only. That is called coaxial cable. This one. My home in Hyderabad, man. Okay. So got it, guys. Let's see, guys, here. So this is coaxial cable. Usually we are going to connect the cable connection in olden days. And nowadays we have smart TVs. That is a different story. In olden days we'll have CRT TVs. So usually we are going to connect the like cable connection with the help of those cables only. Got it, guys? So this is called coaxial cable. So can we get the internet with the help of this coaxial cable? Yes, no. We can get the internet with the help of this coaxial cable. Okay. Before 8 years, before marriage, my marriage, guys, not your marriage. Okay. Okay. So before marriage, I used to stay here itself only in Amirpet. Got it, guys? I am also Amirpet only. Okay. So near metro station, we have LRT Guda, right? So metro station, BSNL office. Opposite BSNL office will have an hostel. There itself only I used to stay. Okay. So I have personal room. I have my personal network, means internet. So while I'm trying to staying into my personal room at the time, so I got a network from Hathway, internet from Hathway service. So ISP is a Hathway. At the time, we have an offer. I don't know whether we'll have the offer or not now. At the time, before 8 years, we'll have an offer. If you get the 3 months plan, they are going to provide the free Wi-Fi router. Got it, guys? So usually, Hathway having internet connection and as well as cable connection both. Those people that try to providing the internet and cable connection both with the help of this coaxial only. Can we connect this coaxial cable into my laptop? Is it possible, guys? Can we connect this coaxial cable into this laptop? It is not possible, right? Yes, no. So that's why they are going to providing the offer called Wi-Fi router. So that is not a Wi-Fi router usually. It's a two-in-one device. Wi-Fi router come modem. Wi-Fi router come modem. It will act like as a Wi-Fi router as well as it will act like as a modem. Actually, this cable, it will produce analog signals. Internet is a digital signal, right? Then modem, it will convert the analog signals to digital signals. So that's why at the time they're offering Wi-Fi router. I think nowadays most of the people, they're not using this technology. Maximum people, they are trying to providing the internet connection with the help of STP cable. Coaxial is outdated. I said na before 8 years, 9 years before, not now. So I hope you're clear. So nowadays, no one they're using coaxial cable. And coming to STP and UTP. STP cable and UTP cable. Guys, this is the best image. Let's see here. This is STP and UTP cable. Okay. So this is UTP and this is STP. I'll do one thing. I'm going to open this image into another tab, right? See, guys, this is UTP and this is STP. In our classroom, we have UTP cable. This is UTP cable. Cat 6, I think so. Got it, guys? So STP, UTP means unshielded twisted pair. STP means shielded twisted pair. Both are same. It doesn't have much difference apart from caste. Caste is a little bit different. Maybe 5 rupees, 10 rupees differences will have. Okay. So coming to UTP, we have 4 pairs and 8 wires. Blue, blue, white, orange, orange, white, brown, brown, white, and green, green, white. So clear, guys. So 4 pairs, 8 wires. Like the same way in STP also. But what is the difference between UTP and STP? We have one additional shield inside the plastic sleeve. So this is plastic sleeve, right? Inside this plastic sleeve, it doesn't have any additional wrapper here. But coming to STP, we have an additional protection. So that is the difference between UTP and STP. Both are same. So what is the difference between UTP and STP means cost? Maybe UTP cable 10 rupees means STP will have 14 rupees like that. Okay. And then durability. So compared to UTP, STP is a good durability will have. I hope you got it, guys. Maximum 90% people, they are going to deploy the network with the help of UTP cable itself. Unshielded twisted pair. Next, fiber opticals. So fiber optical images. Do you know about fiber optical? Usually, if you're having the fiber optical cable into your home, you are going to find like the small connector. See, guys. So like this small connectors you are going to find. So with the help of this connector, we are going to connect the. So usually nowadays we doesn't have the port for fiber optical directly into our laptop. If you need to connect this connector into your laptop directly, you need to purchase the converter. RJ45 means NIC card to fiber optical connector we need to purchase. Otherwise, new laptops having Type C ports, right? Type C to fiber optical connector we are going to get, and then with the help of that we can connect. And nowadays, new Wi-Fi routers directly it's coming along with the fiber optical port. We are going to connect this one. So it will be looking like this, one plastic wire. Usually it will be looking like this. Which media is the best media? Coaxial or twisted pair or fiber optical? Fiber optical. Why fiber optical? The data it is going to convert into light. Already we know the data it is going to travel quickly than STP and coaxial. Because STP and UTP, it will convert the data into electrical voltages. So that's why it will take time to transfer the data. I hope you're clear, guys. Yes, no. Coming to unguided media. RF and infrared. RF stands for radio frequency. Infrared means TV remote, AC remote. Those remotes, it having one small LED here, right? This remote, it having a small LED, right? So this is infrared LED. Okay. So in olden days, before Bluetooth, how we are going to transfer the data with the help of infrared only. So very old mobiles will have. If you need to transfer one image from one mobile to another mobile, it will take long time. Before Bluetooth. Nowadays we'll have Bluetooth. So that's why quickly we are going to transfer the data. Right? So RF means radio frequency. Walkie-talkies, guys, please. What happened? If you're having any doubts, ask to me. Don't ask your friends and then your what happened? Tell me. If you're having any doubt, you can ask me. Any question you can ask me. It's not a problem. I'll keep mute and then I'll give the answer to you. So I'm teaching for you only, right? Yes, no. I said day one itself only. I'm a very casual person and then I'm going to mingle with you very clearly because you need to understand. So please don't take a lenience. Try to utilize this manner. So if you are taking lenience, what will happen? I'm going to become serious. Then you are unable to understand the concept. Got it, guys? Please focus. Because of you only we are teaching. If you're having any doubts, please don't ask to your friends. Ask to me. If you're having any jokes also, it's not a problem. Tell me. I'm also feeling like bore. I'm going to enjoy. Clear? I said day one itself only. Don't make me serious. Clear, guys? Right. RF means radio frequency, Wi-Fi router, walkie-talkie, those all the devices, it will work depend on radio frequency. Infrared means TV remote, AC remote, MI mobiles, those all it having infrared LEDs. With the help of infrared, we are going to communicate. Now, which one is the best media? Guided or unguided? I know you are going to say unguided only. Guided media is a good. Guided media is a good. Guided, guided media having full duplex communication. Got it, guys? Unguided having half duplex communication. So which one is the speed? You are going to, how much speed you see? If you want to can check into your home, if you having Wi-Fi router, connect the Wi-Fi router with your laptop and then check the speed. Then disconnect the Wi-Fi router, directly connect the wire into your laptop, then check the speed. Then you are going to get the difference. Wire always is good. So you are going to get the good speed with wire. Guided media. Unguided media, you have comfortness. You can access the internet from anywhere, but you're not going to get the good speed with Wi-Fi router. So best is guided. Why guided is the best? Guided having full duplex communication. Unguided having half duplex communication. I'll tell you tomorrow what is full duplex and what is half duplex. Not tomorrow, now itself only. Okay, so got it, guys. Clear? I hope you're clear about NIC cards, about media. Now we are going to discuss about network devices. Coming to network devices, we have hub, switch, and router. At least we should have a network device. Then only we are going to deploy the network into our organization. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about hub. If you want, you can make a note. Hub side heading. Guys, hub side heading. Hub side heading. First point. First point. It's an intelligent device. అంతే కదా? And so hub side heading. First point. It's an intelligent device. Like you. Huh? You're all intelligent devices, right? No? Right. So let's see guys here. First point, hub is an intelligent device. Hub is an intelligent device. Second point, it will work with bits. It will work with bits, BITS. Got it, guys? First point, it's an intelligent device. It's not an intelligent device. Sorry, guys. It's not an intelligent device. Sorry. Because of you, I forgot, right? So first point, it's not an intelligent device. Like me. I'm not that much of intelligent, right? Like you. Huh? So it's not an intelligent device. Herb, first point, it's not an intelligent device. Second point, it will work with bits. Second point, it will work with bits. Third point, uses broadcast for communication. Broadcast, right? Uses broadcast for communication. So uses broadcast for communication. Third point, uses broadcast for communication. Fourth point, it's having, it will share the bandwidth. It will share bandwidth 40 Mbps, 30 Mbps, like this. We are going to say bandwidth, not bandwidth. Okay, bandwidth, right? So it will share bandwidth. Clear, guys? Fourth point, it will share bandwidth. Fourth point, it will share bandwidth. Fifth point, it having half duplex communication. Fifth point, it having half duplex communication. So total 5 points. So I'm repeating again, right? First point, it's not an intelligent device, right? Second point, it will work with bits. It will work with bits. Third point, uses broadcast for communication. Uses broadcast for communication. Fourth point, it will share bandwidth. Fifth point, it having half duplex communication. Listen. For example, I'm using hub to deploy the network. So do you know about hub? Do you know about hub, guys? Network hubs. So this is network hub. See, it will be looking like this. So with the help of, this is centralized device. With the help of this hub, we are going to connect the network. Got it, guys? With the help of this centralized device, we are going to connect the network. So how we are going to connect? Like this. Got it, guys? So this is hub. We have different brands. Netgear, D-Link. So different brands we have, right? So this is hub. Assume this is hub. Assume this is hub. So we connected few machines with the help of hub. This is total one network. Guys, try to understand what is network. Without knowing network concepts, you are unable to understand the AWS concepts. So that's why I'm trying to teaching those all. Otherwise, directly I'm going to start the EC2 and IAM. Then what you are going to do? You are unable to understand anything. So while you are trying to accessing the EC2 instance with the help of an IP address only, we are going to access the EC2 instance. If you don't know much about IP address, then how you are going to understand, how you are going to manage? Please be serious, right? So let's see, guys, here. This is how we are connected few missions. How many missions? 4 missions. In this network, how many hosts we have? 4 hosts we have. If you want, you can call mission. If you want, you can call workstation. If you want, you can call host. If you want, you can call node, whatever. If you want, you can call. So this is mission 1, and this is mission 2, and this is mission 3 and mission 4. 4 missions network we deploy with hub device. Got it, guys? First point, this is not an intelligent device, right? We'll discuss later. First point, we are going to discuss later after some time. Coming to second point, it will work with bits, right? It will work with bits. For example, mission 1 is a source mission. Mission 4 is a destination. Guys, mission 1 is a source mission. Mission 4 is a destination. Mission 1, it's try to sending the data to mission 4. Listen, it's very, very important for us. Then only you are going to understand the networking concepts properly. So mission 1, it's try to sending the data to hub. Hub, what it will do? It will carry forward the data to mission 4. Like that we are thinking, right? Yes, no. 99% people, they're thinking like that only. So mission 1, it's try to sending the data to mission 4. Mission 1, it will send the data to whom? Hub. Hub, it will convert the data into bits. Those bits it is going to send to mission 4 like that. No, guys. Mission 1, it will send the data to hub. So this hub, it will convert the data into bits, right? It will convert the data into bits and will send the data to mission 4 and mission 3 and mission 2, including mission 1. This is called broadcast communication. One to many, including source. I hope you're clear. Third point. Second point, it will convert the data into bits. Third point, uses broadcast communication. What is exactly broadcasting? Mission 1, it's try to sending the data to mission 4. Mission 1, it will send the data to hub. Hub, it will carry forward the data to mission 4. Not only for mission 4, it will carry forward the data to mission 3 and mission 2, including mission 1. One to many, including source, that is called broadcast communication. So where we are going to use this broadcast terminology? TV channels. TV channels, they are going to use the terminology called broadcasting. क्योंकि SaaS भी कभी बहुत ही broadcast हो रहा है या नहीं? हाँ? मोहब्बतें, चाहतें, हाँ? वो स्टार प्लस में कितने सीरियल्स रहते बोल के पता नहीं है यार. हाँ? I hope you got it right. क्या करेंगे देखना पड़ रहा है, right? So I hope you got it, guys. The serial, it is going to broadcast or not. Usually we are going to use the word called broadcasting. Broadcasting means one to many, including source. So mission 1, it's try to sending the data to mission 4. So mission 1, it will send the data to hub. Hub, it is going to send the data to mission 4. Not only for mission 4, it is going to send the data to mission 3, mission 2, including mission 1. This is called broadcast communication. I hope you're clear. Second point and third point. Coming to fourth point. So for example, I have connected 40 Mbps internet into hub. Got it, guys? So we connected 40 Mbps internet connection with the help of hub. So this hub, what it will do in a sense, it is going to share the bandwidth. For example, mission 1, 10 Mbps. Mission 2, 10 Mbps. Mission 3, 10 Mbps. Mission 4, 10 Mbps. Like this, it is going to share the bandwidth. I hope you got it, guys. So it will share the bandwidth. There's a fourth point. So we doesn't have the 40 Mbps connection into each and every mission. So 40 Mbps connection, it is going to spread. I hope you got it. It will share the bandwidth. And fifth point. What is fifth point? It having half duplex communication. So coming to communications, we have three types. One is simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. Coming to simplex. Simplex means one-way communication. One way. Best example, TV remote, AC remote. So you are going to send the signals from your remote to television, but television, it is not going to send the signals to the TV remote, right? That is called simplex. One way. So TV remote, it is going to send the signals to the TV, but TV, it is not going to send the signal to the remote. That is called simplex. Half duplex. Best example, Wi-Fi router and walkie-talkie. Got it, guys? So best example, walkie-talkie, half duplex, right? So coming to like our traffic police, they are going to hold the walkie-talkies. How they are going to communicate with the help of walkie-talkie? So we doesn't have mobile like that numbers into walkie-talkie. We'll have only one button. Even like small kids also, they are going to play with the toys. Walkie-talkie toys will have. So there we can find like only one small button. We need to hold that button. We need to speak. After completing your speech, and you need to release the button, opposite person, he is going to hold the button and then he's going to speak. Means request and response, it won't happen at a time. I hope you got it, guys. So usually in movies, so people, they are going to use the walkie-talkies, then they are going to speak, and then after that they are going to say over. Over only, right? So I hope you got it, guys. And then opposite person, he's going to speak again, right? So that is called half duplex communication. Request and response, it won't happen at a time. For example, mission 1, it's trying to sending the request. After reaching the request, and mission 4, it is providing the response. It won't happen both at a time. Request and response, it won't happen at a time. I hope you got it. That is called half duplex communication. Coming to full duplex communication. मोबाइल फोन इज अ बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल. वाइस वर्सा, जो भी बात करे सुनना पड़ेगा विदाउट इंटरप्शन. I hope you got it, guys. Request and response, it will happen simultaneously. I hope you're clear, guys. Both it will happen at a time. That is called full duplex communication. So clear? Right. That's all for today. Tomorrow we are going to continue with switches, routers. Guys, tomorrow I'm going to start IPv4. Don't miss. IP addresses. Without knowing IP addresses, you are unable to deploy the VPCs, virtual private cloud. Our motive, we need to deploy the VPC. Got it, guys? Tomorrow I'm going to start IPv4. In-depthly, we are going to discuss. Maybe you people, you know. So in your graduation, we'll have the concept called see and write. So there you know, but just refreshment. Like, so you need to understand about IPv4. Then only you are going to deploy the VPCs, EC2 instance and those all. Even database instances also. Okay, guys. See you. Bye. Thank you, Ma. Verma. Bhuvaneshwar. Syllabus content, everything like your admin, she is going to share you. Okay. Don't worry. Yeah, welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome. See you tomorrow. Guys, please don't miss the session. See you guys. Bye.